Today we're drawing Birdo from Super Mario. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's start with Birdo's big round snout. Draw a large C-shaped curve starting near the top, then sweep it down and around to make a soft, rounded front. Now, add a tall oval inside the snout for the opening. Keep it centered a little toward the left and leave some space around it. Nice! To finish this part, add a short curve coming out from the top. Then another gentle curve underneath. These lines will help connect the snout to the rest of the head. Now let's draw Birdo's eyes. Start just above the snout and make a smooth, rounded curve going up, then back down. This gives us the first big eyelid shape. Right beside it, draw another rounded bump for the second eye. Keep both shapes soft and bubbly. Next, let's give the right eye some style. Draw a thick, curved eyelid across the front. Then, flick out a few short eyelashes on the side. Nice and simple, but very expressive. Now move back to the left eye. Add the lower curve underneath and connect it gently near the snout. Then, add a few little eyelashes pointing outward. Try to keep these lashes clean and not too long. For the right eye, finish the lower outline with a rounded curve, almost like a small oval tucked under the eyelid. This makes the eye look full and cute. Great! Now add the pupils. Draw one small dark oval inside each eye, leaving a tiny white shine spot. Fill the pupils in carefully and darken the eyelashes. Once these eyes are done, Birdo already has a lot of personality. Great! Add one smooth cheek curve to finish Birdo's face. Now let's add Birdo's bow. Start with the small center knot right above the eyes. Keep it rounded and simple. Then add a tiny fold line inside. Next, draw the left side of the bow. Bring a tall, smooth curve up, round it off at the top, and connect it back down to the knot. Great! Now make the right side bigger and wider. Curve it out to the right, let it puff out in the middle, then bring it back in with a soft, wavy edge. Finish with a couple of little curved lines near the center to show the folds. And just like that, Birdo's bow looks cute and complete. Now let's draw Birdo's body. Starting just under the head, pull one long, smooth curve down to make the outside of the body. Let it round out nicely in the middle, then taper in a little near the bottom. Keep this line soft and simple, because that big rounded shape gives Birdo that cute cartoon look. Now let's draw Birdo's arm reaching out to the side. Start just under the snout and pull a long, gentle line out to the left. Bring another smooth line underneath, following the same direction. Great! Now let's shape the open hand. At the end of the arm, curve the line outward for the palm, then add the fingers one by one. Make the fingers short, rounded, and spread out just a little, like Birdo is happily showing us something. Next, add the little claws at the fingertips. Use small, curved triangle shapes, and keep them light and friendly, not too sharp. Then add a few short curved lines inside the hand to separate the fingers. Now let's draw Birdo's other arm, the one bent at the side. Start near the right side of the neck, then pull a smooth curve outward and down. This makes the outside edge of the arm, and it should feel soft and rounded. Keep curving the line inward to form the bend of the elbow. Then bring it around into a small hand shape near the hip. The arm can be a little fuller at the top and slightly narrower near the hand. Great! Now add the little hand at the end. Keep it simple and cartoony, with just a few rounded shapes to suggest the fingers curling in. Now let's draw Birdo's left leg, the big one stepping forward. Start near the lower right side of the body and pull a long, smooth line down on a diagonal. Keep the curve soft so the leg feels rounded and cartoony. Next, draw 3 little toes at the front. Keep them short and simple, almost like tiny rounded spikes. At the bottom, widen the shape into a big foot. Round it out nicely, then add a small oval inside for the foot pad. Now let's add Birdo's back leg. Start behind the front leg and draw a short curved line coming down from the body. Then round it out into a small foot peeking from behind. Add a few little toes at the front and keep this part simple since most of the leg is hidden. This small back foot helps Birdo look balanced and complete. Now add Birdo's tail. Draw a smooth, pointy curve coming out from the back. Then add 2 small spikes near the base. Keep it simple and neat, and that finishes the tail nicely. Now draw a big, rounded oval on the body for Birdo's belly. Let the front leg cover part of it so it feels nicely tucked behind. For the final touch, fill in the oval on Birdo's snout. Keep it nice and clean inside the lines. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!